Guys, I don't know about you, but on a cold day, I like a good cup of coffee and a hot pot of chili. So today I'm going to show you how I make my venison chili in my crock pot with the most amazing homemade biscuits. Hey guys, I'm Judy the Orange Huntress and welcome back to my channel where we bring the hunt home and the wild inside. Today I'm going to show you how to make venison chili in your crock pot. It took me 4 hours and it was super simple. You didn't have to pre-cook anything. I made it along with my awesome homemade biscuits that my daughter helped me make. So if you've got kids at home that like to help in the kitchen, this is a fun, easy recipe that you guys can follow together. So let's head to the kitchen and get started. And the recipe is going to be down in the description, so don't worry if you miss things along the way. I really tried to work at balancing the sweet and savory in this dish. That's why you notice the peppers and the carrots and the maple beans. They give a little bit more sweetness to the chili. I've also got a secret ingredient I'm going to share with you guys a little later in this video, so keep your eyes peeled. Cool tip I learned from the last time I made chili. After you're done adding the seasonings to your meat, mix them in. Then, after you're done adding your liquids, mix those in. Then finally, when you're done adding your beans, mix those in so that you don't have to worry about trying to get down to the bottom to incorporate everything. It just makes life so much easier. After I had this all mixed together, I put my crock pot on high and then we went tobogganing. Alright chili, bye-bye. We'll see you in 4 hours. So we got home from sledding early and I tried the chili and thought it needed some fat, which we didn't put in. So I'm putting about 1.5 tablespoons of butter into the chili. I'm just gonna stir that all in and let it cook a bit more and then try it again, but I think this is going to be a game changer. So we have vinegar that we're going to mix with milk to make buttermilk. We've got butter, sugar, baking powder, salt, and flour. And if you haven't guessed, Irene is going to be helping me make biscuits. Three, 4, 5, and we're gonna make around, I don't know, like this. Oh. So that's kind of the size, like a meatball, like that, really. Okay? Yeah, so like that. here it is. We didn't have to end up adding any more seasoning or butter or anything. It was just perfect. So.
Yay, Mommy. I love it. It's so, I love it.
So excited. There you go, guys. Venison chili in your crock pot in 4 hours. And homemade biscuits. Like the best combo in the world, right? So I'm gonna be sitting here on my beautiful lazy boy chair, drinking my coffee, waiting for your comments to see what your family thought, because I wanna hear it. So, don't forget the butter. Don't forget to have fun in the kitchen with your family. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next Wednesday.